Pipilotti Rist Electric Idyll is an exhibition that is conceived as a total environment. That means that the various artworks compose a space that surrounds the viewers, that make the viewers part of the exhibition itself. The viewers can come, sit on the couches, on the bed, on the carpets. It's a very participatory and welcoming space. I'm Massimiliano Gioni. I'm the curator of the exhibition Pipilotti Rist Electric Idyll at the fire station in Doha, Qatar. This exhibition, like many other works of Pipilotti Rist, transform the viewer in screens themselves. You can sit on the couch and you'll find the images literally washing over you, or invites the viewers to sit on the carpet, to have a very physical experience of images. And that is a recurring preoccupation in Pipilotti Rist's work, the desire to make images that are tactile, that are physical, that require all our bodies to experience them. What I love of Pipilotti Rist's work, which is distilled in this exhibition Electric Idyll, is the way in which he invites us to experience the world in a very almost hypnotic way. The colors, the way in which images dance and repeat each other. It's a very soothing and at the same time almost electric experience. Pipilotti Rist has tried to reimagine the way in which we relate to images, to technology, particularly to digital technologies. Pipilotti Rist believes that our life is too often shaped by the experience of screens, cell phones, monitors, and she tries to imagine an experience of being almost enveloped and surrounded and immersed in images. The viewers, when they come here, they will be excited to encounter these bright projections, these amazing panoramic films. And so there is a very interesting balance between your eyes, your body being physically stimulated, and a sense also of relaxation and soothness. Come to this exhibition if you want to have your eyes, your mind, your bodies be transformed by art and by these amazing, attractive and hypnotic images.